Just when we thought DJI had hit its peak with the Mini 4 Pro, a massive leak surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro is setting the drone world on fire. If you've been keeping an eye on drone technology, you'll know how DJI's Mini series reshaped portable aerial photography. But now, with whispers of 4K at 120 FPS, a significantly bigger battery, and a massive sensor upgrade, it's clear, DJI is preparing to redefine what a mini drone can do. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. Whether you're a travel vlogger, indie filmmaker, or FPV enthusiast, the Mini 5 Pro promises to pack pro-level power in a sub-250G frame. In this video, we'll uncover all the rumored specs, analyze the leaks, and explore how these features stack up against previous Mini models and current competitors. The DJI Mini lineup started with the Mavic Mini, a marvel in its time due to its lightweight nature and solid image quality. It paved the way for Mini 2, Mini 3 Pro, and eventually the Mini 4 Pro, which brought Active Track 360, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and high-end transmission tech. With each new model, DJI has delivered smarter automation, better image processing, and more robust build, all while staying under 250 grams to bypass FAA registration requirements in many countries. The Mini 5 Pro, however, might be the boldest leap yet, blurring the line between mini and flagship. Let's start with the biggest rumored feature: 4K video at 120 frames per second. For content creators and cinematic drone users, this is huge. 4K at 60 FPS was the sweet spot in the Mini 4 Pro, but 120 FPS allows buttery smooth slow-motion shots with stunning detail. This feature will elevate everything from action sequences to environmental storytelling. Imagine capturing crashing waves or birds in flight in cinematic slow motion, all in 4K, all on a pocket-sized drone. If this leak is true, the Mini 5 Pro will be the first sub-250G drone to offer this frame rate at 4K resolution, giving creators unprecedented visual flexibility in post-production. Another major leak suggests a larger, longer-lasting battery is coming to the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro delivered up to 34 minutes of flight time with the standard battery and 45 with the Plus version. But DJI is rumored to be pushing those numbers even further in the Mini 5 Pro, possibly crossing the 50-minute mark. If DJI manages this while maintaining the sub-250G weight, it would be revolutionary. Improved flight time will benefit all users, especially those flying in remote locations or conducting complex cinematic missions. Fewer battery swaps and more airtime mean more chances to get the perfect shot. This could be accomplished by introducing more energy-efficient ESCs, next-gen battery chemistry, and smarter power distribution, areas where DJI already leads the pack. Rumors point toward a 1-inch CMOS sensor in the DJI Mini 5 Pro. That's right, a full 1-inch sensor, typically reserved for DJI's high-end Air and Mavic models. Compared to the 1/1.3-inch sensor on the Mini 4 Pro, this would be a massive upgrade. So, what does this mean in real terms? Improved low-light performance, sunset and nighttime flights will yield richer, cleaner footage. Greater dynamic range, more detail in both shadows and highlights. Better color depth, crucial for color grading in post-production. Enhanced still photography, high-resolution RAW files will rival